everybody, it's Campfire Trish coming at you from my backyard. Well, it has been a very long week here, a week that has introduced something that I've never thought would ever happen in my my work career, that being the introduction of furloughs. So it's a crazy thing. Crazy times we're living right now, but that's okay. Everything will be fine. It'll be good. I'm still bringing home a paycheck, so that's always good. But with that being said, I am definitely have a craving that I'm gonna go on. I'm gonna go on a whim on, and my kitty cat's, he's meowing at my feet. But I have a chocolate craving, and I'm not sure about you all, about your infatuation or lack of infatuation with chocolate, but I love good chocolate. And one thing I don't treat myself very often on are like sweets and whatnot. Occasionally, mostly for you all, I have a feeling. But today I really want chocolate cake. I'm not a huge fan of cake in general, or maybe it's icing that I'm not a huge fan of. But either way, I'm gonna fix some chocolate cake in my Dutch oven just for you all, well, and for me, and maybe the family. Maybe I'll share, we'll see. But again, what's your favorite cake recipe? We're gonna give this one a whirl, and hopefully it'll turn out good. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing that in just a few minutes for you. These are the supply and ingredients we're going to use today. Chocolate cake mix, eggs, oil per the cake mix instructions, water, surprise, large bowl, add the cake mix, oil, eggs, and water, and mix well. Time for the surprise. I love some marshmallows and some white chocolate chips. Ooh, I might win the Mom Award this year. Whoop, whoop. Gently fold in marshmallows and chips in the cake mix. Dutch oven with Reynolds wrap. It just makes cleanup so much easier. And spray with cooking spray. Pour the cake mix into the prepared pan. Coals are ready. Place about 12 coals under the trivet and about 18 on top of the lid. Here's a little video of something I can add to my resume. Bird saver. Not really sure how this little chickadee found its way into my bird feeder, but I'm glad I noticed that something was looking amiss while I was gazing out my front window. Every 10 minutes or so, I rotate the top and the bottom of the Dutch oven to help the cake cook evenly. Starting to smell the cake now, so I'm going to give it a quick check. I'm looking at it to make sure it isn't gooey still in the middle and the surface is spongy. Toothpick or kebab skewer, one of the wooden ones, you can check the middle by sticking it in and pulling it out and making sure it's not all gooey and yucky. Underdone. Down the hill. I want to carefully lift the cake out of the pan using the Reynolds wrap to help stop that cooking process. I don't want that cake to burn. Now let's take a look at this. I wonder if the surprise will be evident or not. Now typically you want to wait till your cake is actually cooled before you do this, but I can't wait. Plus, I think it might rain. Oh. So let's see. So it looks like the surprise might just stay a surprise. Is that really evident that there is marshmallows and white chocolate chips in here? But, ooh, look at that steaminess. I bet it's going to be delicious either way. Let's see. Alright, and I'm going to put, ooh, I better do this quickly. I think the rain's a-coming. I put a little icing on my slice. This is just regular chocolate icing. My main squeeze is over there licking something. Give this a try. Look at that. Wow. This. Oh, I found some chocolate chips and some rain. I have to be fast. It's gonna rain. There's some chocolate chips in the bottom. It's delicious. Oh my god. That really is good. Well, if you enjoyed this video as much as I have, because I'm gonna go enjoy this more inside my house, please make sure you like, and if you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a great day. I hope that you're not getting caught in the rain like I am. And have yourself some chocolate, because why not? Talk to you later.